A headline is the first and sometimes only opportunity you have to make an impression. In a sea of content, a great headline will stop a scroll and make someone want to read more. A good headline will also be shareable, which means it has the potential to bring in new readers from social media or other channels. If you're struggling to write headlines that pack a punch, watch this video and learn 3 steps to write high-converting headlines. Step 1. Know your audience. Before you can learn how to write a headline, you first need to know your audience. Who are you writing for? What are their needs and wants? What do they care about? Once you know the answers to these questions, you'll be able to write headlines that resonates with your audience and helps you achieve your goals. Step 2. Write a headline that's clear and to the point. The headline is one of the most important parts of your article. It's what draws readers in and tells them what your article is about. A good headline is clear and to the point, telling readers exactly what they can expect to learn from your article. Keep it short and sweet. A headline should be no more than a few words long. Get straight to the point. Tell readers exactly what they can expect to learn from your article. Be specific. A good headline is specific and tells readers exactly what they can expect to find in your article. Use keywords wisely. Choose keywords that accurately describe your article content and help readers find your article easily online. Make it catchy. A catchy headline will make readers want to click on your article and read more. Step 3. Use keywords to optimize your headline for SEO. When you're writing a headline, it's important to keep SEO in mind. Use keywords that are relevant to your topic and that people are likely to search for. This will help your article show up in search engines' result pages and make it more likely that people will click on it. Think about what keywords you want to target and then include them in your headline. Use them naturally so that your headline reads well. Don't stuff your headline with keywords just for the sake of it. This will make it look spammy and could hurt your SEO. Keep your headline short and to the point. People are more likely to click on a headline that is concise and easy to read. Writing headlines may seem easy, but if you want to write ones that are effective, there's a little more to it than just throwing out a few keywords. By following these 3 steps, understanding your audience, crafting a headline that's both useful and interesting, and making sure it packs a punch, you can write headlines that will grab attention and get results. So what are you waiting for? Get writing!